everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to make a cute little bunny or a rabbit in a pinata form at home. So let's get started. Here we have chopped white chocolate. Melt the chocolate in the microwave or over a double boiler. This is a dome-shaped silicone mold. Pour the melted chocolate into the mold and turn the mold around to coat the base and the sides. Pour away the excess back into the bowl and refrigerate for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's start with fondant work. Using white and pink fondant, make the bunny ears, feet, nose, and ribbon as shown. Now getting on with our second coating. Go over the sides with the spoon and more chocolate. Scrape the extra and refrigerate again. This is a bowl of goodies. Unmold the chocolate dome carefully as shown. Carefully fill the chocolate dome with the goodies and place the cake board on top and turn it upside down. With the help of melted chocolate, stick the bunny feet and nose. Put some melted chocolate for the ears. With the help of a hot steel wire, make a hole for the bunny ears to fit in. Stick the bow with the help of melted chocolate. Using black fondant, make the eyes of your bunny. Our cutie patootie bunny is smashing ready.